I'd never heard Sanibel before.
Yes. Another sweet spot with next for the Dolphins.
SeaWorld has been caring for this young male bottlenose dolphin that was beached near Sanibel Island back in late November. After he was beached, he was brought to SeaWorld for further rehabilitation and evaluation. During this dolphin's rehabilitation at SeaWorld, we've done a lot of diagnostic testing, with the most recent being a hearing test. This hearing test was done in conjunction with staff from NOAA, the National Oceanographic and Atmospheric Administration. They came out and actually performed this hearing test. The hearing test is what's called an auditory evoked potential, or AEP, and it's done similar to how you would do a hearing test in a person, except instead of putting headphones on their ears, because of dolphins' unique anatomy, they receive sounds in their hollow lower jaw. So he actually has a microphone or a jaw phone placed on that lower jaw, and then there's electrodes placed along his back that are going to look at brain waves in response to those sounds. So they play sounds along different frequencies and tones to try and assess his hearing abilities throughout the entire hearing range. Our ultimate goal for this dolphin, as with all of our rescued animals here at SeaWorld, is to return him back to his natural environment as soon as he's medically cleared and deemed fit to return.